Oh man, you're one of those, huh? Oh, you've been juked. Oh, you've been had. Uh-huh. Think that's gonna work, huh? Yeah. Is there a guy in my building? Oh my god.
You fucking!
Are we playing COD? What was that? What was that? Can you imagine yelling like that ever? No. Not.
Go you!
Wait a minute. Wait, what? Was this guy playing on multiple PCs? Maybe he was mad at first because I stole his kill or something? Why can't I vault this? What the heck? Darn it, I pressed the wrong. Well, the shotgun skin's pretty nice. Looks weird in the dark. Ooh. Oh, there's a drink in there. Kinda need that. Oh, shells. I missed a choke? Oh no. There's a crate. Kinda wanna go for that. Just don't think you can beat that. I just don't. Vehicle? I think not. Hopefully there's a vehicle over here. I want to try to get that crate. I bet no one's going to go for it. Ah, there's no vehicle though. Well. Level 3 vest saved me. Is this a stream sniper? Compensator. Carrying too much, apparently. Doesn't feel like I'm carrying that much. How many bullets do I have for this? Probably too many. Alright, I still want to go for that crate. Spike strip. Is there a vehicle over here? Yes. Probably gonna die to the red zone. Classic. Alright. This is going to be hard to find because it's got no smoke coming out of it anymore. So we just got to try to hope for the best. I think it's going to be farther than I marked. Aha. It's been looted. Oh, they dropped their bison. Could have been anything. Wonder if they're in here. Hello. Alright, well, we can go for the next crate. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How's the performance? Well, I mean, it's really good nowadays. For me, at least. My FPS counter's not working right now, but usually I get like 140 plus on all ultra. I'm playing in full ultra right now, yeah. Hello? Someone's fighting. Ooh, there's a 2S. Someone's fighting like at that new place. Someone's fighting like down here. Oh. Here comes a plane. Oh no, it's gonna drop in the water. Please drop. I think we go for it. It's kind of early game. There's not a lot going on, so could go fight this and then go get the crate. There's a boat over by the dock here. This guy's a DBS though. I'm a little scared. A little bit scared of this guy. Is he on the roof? Which one had, I think that was the guy with the DBS.
Yo, Choco!
What's up, dude?
How you doing today?
Pretty good. How are you doing today?
Shotgun fight?
Yes, sir.
5 pump against my DBS. You got the high ground though. Those fucking windows are annoying.
High ground.
I got no troubles. Five pump is so scary. GG.
GG.
I just finished yesterday at level 100 on the 5 pump, so I'm doing
Oh
the
my
other one
god.
now.
You're grinding.
I'm getting
dude.
all my gun to 100. Have
Oh
fun.
my god. Thanks, dude. Good luck with the crossbow. Not a gun. Doesn't count. I think most of my guns are 100, but I don't know which ones aren't. Actually don't know. Is that a boat I can drive? Nope. Why is there a red zone here, man? Come on now. Oh, someone else got the crate. They're driving away. I'm gonna try to kill them. They're driving east from the crate with a boat. Like they're driving over here. I don't think that's the guy from the boat. I don't see the boat. What the heck? Why? I'm not in. Not in the red zone. There's a dead guy on the... Wait, oh, that's a jet ski. Where'd he go? This certainly isn't him. There's an 8X. Let's go. Ooh. Oh. This guy has a couple things I'm interested in. Can I get my car out of here? Nice. Shotgun meta, dude, is very powerful. I'm telling you. I'm gonna switch cars. Mine's like almost out of gas. Front right tire's gonna pop. Half HP. Is missing a tire? No. Look like it was like tilted. Yeah, we can check out my weapon levels. Guns I don't have to 100 are probably just guns I don't use, like the mutant and like, I don't know, maybe the DP. Probably the VSS. Just guns that I never use. The sawed-off, yeah. Although, yeah, the sawed-off's probably not that high. A lot of the pistols are actually probably pretty high just from, like, hot drop kills. Sheer amount of hot drop kills. All right. Hopefully we can finally get a drop here. Maybe it'll be an MG. Pretty convenient spot for the crate to drop. Right next to this house. Nog. Not abandoning my pump. Where's this guy? I don't actually see this guy. What? I'm not gonna push my luck. I don't know. I never saw him. What does that sound? Bike is like stuck in third gear or something. Alrighty, we're in a good spot here. Church is actually dead center, but I don't really like the church. Well, where's this guy going? A lot of people driving around. I think they're trying to figure out where to stop. Still have the C4 too. I just can't see this guy. Oh boy. Actually don't mind going here. I have 4 smokes, which is good. Ooh, someone's got the MG. Big banger. He's got the MG. Looks clear. Like, center zone is actually Pachinki, but I don't really want to go into Pachinki. So we'll just hope it shifts south, and if it doesn't, we can drive. And if we can't drive, then I have 4 smokes. So should be protected. Never know. Mostly want to watch behind me here because I just want to see if people are coming in to my place. No one from Pachinki's going to come over here. That guy wasn't where I can't believe he re-peeked me. What a boss, dude. It's kind of funny. I would have never seen this guy. Oh my god, I hit him 3 times.
Nice one, man.
Thanks, dude.
GG's, brother. Did you
GG.
fucking see you there?
Oh my god. There's a lot of nice people out today. What's going on? Am I in Canada servers or something? You guys want to know something else about the shotgun that's insane? Here's I got the MG. Do you guys want to... Like, what barrel attachment do you think I'm using right now? Just a big empty space there. Nothing. Doesn't matter. Alright, I got lucky on zone, so I'm in still. Here comes another crate. The guy with the MG, I think, killed the guy with the pink shirt. Pink hoodie.
Holy fuck, Choco.
How?
Nice shot, dude.
Thanks, dude. Why is everyone being so nice? What the heck? I guess this isn't Call of Duty. Oh, there's the crate. One thing is everyone knows who I am, so it's kind of like... Where's the guy with the MG, though? Like, that's what I'm worried about. I don't know where he is. He should be over here. Maybe he's wrapping left. That's bad for him, though. I don't know why he would do that. Well, I mean, like... Well, I guess it's not bad, actually. He might be able to wrap that way and stay in. God, he would have had to have wrapped so far, though. Okay, that guy's in Pachinki. There's the MG. Ulysses S. Grant has removed the MG. Watch there be someone in here the whole time. Oh, a choke. This circle's gonna be wild. Oh no. Maybe I'll get... Please, Brendan Green, if you're watching, can you please help me? Oh, am I gonna get a free kill here? Free kill? Oh, he went left. Okay, thank you, Brendan. Thank you. Here a midi. Oh, it's so far away. Am I gonna get melted by this MG? Alright, Ulysses Grant has fallen. 4 bad guys left. I know where 2 of them are, I think. There's the guy with the mini and then that guy with the Nagant. I keep thinking that's a player. Oh my god. Hopefully no one's like behind me. My vehicles are not... Oh, I should have moved one of my vehicles. Crap. I might need these later, or one of them later, so... Just want to, like, move it so it's in the zone. There's 2 there. One's in the... Oh no! I ran out of time. I didn't realize he was going to peek me like that. Alright, 30 seconds. I'm going to, just to be safe. Am I in at this wall? I am so lucky, dude. I am in on the wall here. I think I can just nade this guy. I don't even know where I'm throwing this, but... That sucks that didn't kill the hay bale. The other guy's the mini guy. I don't see him, but... There he is. Surprised those first 2 didn't connect. Is he already out? Oh, I see. Alrighty. He's at this hay bale. Nah. GG. I just got, like, so lucky, dude. I kind of got gifted this one. But I'll take it. GG.